This is the Arteon shooting brake R-Line finished in manganese grey metallic paint, featuring the 2-litre TDI diesel engine producing 200 PS with a 7-speed DSG automatic gearbox and of course that brilliant 4MOTION all-wheel drive. You'll have peace of mind motoring with this vehicle as well with a full Volkswagen service history. And just starting off at the front of the vehicle, as well as adaptive cruise control, you've also got LED headlamps providing fantastic vision in all conditions, alongside power folding and heated wing mirrors, privacy glass from the B-pillar backwards, and also this gorgeous panoramic sunroof letting plenty of fresh air and light to the cabin. Completing the exterior look is these beautiful 19-inch Montevideo alloy wheels that finish off the exterior perfectly. There's a huge amount of boot space on offer as well, with split folding seats and a load-through hatch for any longer items, so plenty of room there for multiple large suitcases. You also benefit from the keyless entry and electric tailgate to give you ease of access. Moving inside, you get lovely part leather and Alcantara seats. You can see the huge amount of leg space on offer for your rear passengers. And at the front there's a leather wrapped multifunction steering wheel and also an adjustable centre armrest to keep you nice and comfortable, alongside part electric adjustment for the driver's seat with lumbar support. Optionally fitted to this vehicle is the head-up display, allowing you to keep your eyes on the road at all times, displaying vital driving information. Alongside digital radio and your Bluetooth connectivity, you'll also benefit from Apple CarPlay and Android Auto, allowing you to mirror apps from your smartphone directly onto the screen, such as Google Maps, Waze, Spotify and many more. To help with parking, there's front and rear parking sensors with audible warnings, and you've also got multiple driving modes available, including a sport setting for a more dynamic drive. A little bit further down the cabin, you've got dual zone climate control, which is nice and easy to adjust, with heated front seats, so perfect for those cold winter mornings. Thanks so much for watching this video. If you've got any questions on this vehicle or you'd like to arrange a test drive, please don't hesitate to contact our friendly sales team today or visit the link in the description.